Well, I'm hoping for some rain. I, Not all of us is going to see rain. This was just a dry August, just dry. And part of the reason was the just the flow, the pattern just never set up so that it was over the top of us for a week or two, or every other day. Those are the kind of storms we usually get in August. And this pattern right here, we've got the high pressure and then a little boundary off to the west. So there's a chance some of us could see some rainfall around that boundary later. So it starts off by Wednesday afternoon in the Panhandle, western Nebraska towards Cherry County. Might see some storms. They kind of float along this boundary layer right here through Wednesday evening. This is about 5:30. Notice the storm. Some of these could be strong if they happen at the right time in the right spot. One or two isolated strong storms going to be possible, maybe severe, some hail, maybe some damaging winds. And they quickly evaporate. This is 10 p.m. and we lose the heating of the day, so we lose the storms. But a few may try to hang on Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Look at that, one or two storms trying to pop up around 3:30 in the morning, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Look at there. There's one between Lincoln and Grand Island, maybe. I mean, look how small that is. So most of us won't see anything, but there's a chance as we head through Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours that we could see some precipitation. How much? Probably not a lot. Notice it's most of this, or all of it, is under a quarter of an inch. If you get under a thunderstorm, sure, but overall it's what I want is one of those all-day rains where it's just dreary and everybody's talking about how it feels like Seattle, and there's by the end of it that we get like a half an inch of rain over the course of 36 hours for everybody. That'd be nice. Okay, temperatures Wednesday morning, not bad. Upper 50s, lower 60s, highs in the 90s, but the dew points will be low. We're not expecting a whole lot in the way of dew points being high, so 50s, maybe 60 for a dew point, which if you're watching this in the western half of the state, you're like, yeah. Eastern half of the state. And see, I grew up in the Panhandle, and my first time in Fremont was the first time I ever experienced it. I visited some friends, and I'm like, what is happening? Why is the air hard to walk through? I had never experienced humidity, so that's what that is. Here's a closer look at southeastern and central Nebraska. Temperatures in the lower and middle 90s. For Lincoln specifically, 92 Wednesday, 91 Thursday, 93 storms possible on Friday. Husker game day. If you have plans to go to the game, it's going to be hot. And I know 88 looks like, well, that's one of the coolest temperatures on there. Yeah, but when you're surrounded by a whole lot of other people and the sun's bearing down on you and it's 93 or 88 degrees and it's the middle of the afternoon, it can get really hot really fast. And you can easily get some heat-related illnesses on days like that. So just keep that in mind. Labor Day weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, pretty nice, 88, 87, then 93 on Monday, so hot. The humidity creeps back just a little bit, and then temperatures cool down a little bit. Look at that, by next Friday, 82. It's after a cold front moves through with scattered storms. Okay, that's all I got. Talk to you guys later.